Brandon's stupid. He's ugly, and he is a little brat because he's super ugly. Don't listen to his video. He's ugly. His videos suck. His video sucks. His video sucks. KR. Brandon's video sucks. Hey, Brandon, don't ever. Brandon is not my friend. Yeah, Brandon sucks. He's a little mean head. He died. I broke the toy and the piece. The boy was making a video. The pieces fell off. One of the pieces fell off and went into a whole thingy, and then got mad at me for no reason. That's why I'm making this chat. Cause Brandon's mean and you never want to be his friend. Don't be Brandon's friend cause he's a mean head. Think that you think I'm mean, but you're the one who's mean. And you trying to whoop me. What is the whoop? And that's, hey, let me tell you a secret. He poo-poo and he never washed his hands. He's super disgusting. He's super disgusting. But disgusting. And he's gay. He had to say, oh, daddy, because he is gay. Hey, Brandon, if you listen to me, I hate you, and I'll never be your friend ever again. I hate you, and you're mean. Brandon, you are me. Brandon is me. Brandon is mean. Don't ever listen to his video because he sucks. That's a video. Brandon, he's watching TV and don't hear a bit. Hey, Brandon is the worst. Brandon, I hate you, yeah. Brandon, I'm not your friend no more. I hate you, Brandon, okay. Hate you more. I hate you yesterday. And guys, Brandon ripped out his private part outside. Hey, Brandon, I hate you. You little. I hate you, Brandon. Brandon, I'm gonna go to his. Brandon, talk about me, but I just haven't on the tongue, on the face, the thing. I say, Brandon, you suck. You smell like a coffee, dude. And you disgusting. That's what your brother said. You're disgusting. Your brother said, stop being weird. Yeah. Your brother said, stop being weird. Listen to my boss, Brandon. You are disgusting. Brandon, come down to the J on the track day. J and the D. Yo, Brandon, you so suck. You look like a little mug. Brandon, I hate you. You never really waste you. And you like, I can't meditate you. And I can't this. The eyes ain't you. Ugly. Hey, Brandon, you always got to sound. I know. Hey, Brandon, you suck. Brandon suck. He looks like a trash can from a mass can. He get the down can. Hey, Michael, you want to talk about this? Yeah, yo, I want to talk about Brandon. He sucked. He made. He didn't be. Brandon is the worst. Let's gang. Brandon is the worst. Gang. Brandon is the worst. I'll never play with him again. Yo, yeah. We'll never play with him. Hey, yeah. I will play with him again because it's bad. That's the man. Dude, I got my friend. My friend, Jojo. He's nicer than Brandon. He's my friend. Yeah. Jojo's my friend. Yeah. He's slap war. Brandon, he's the worst. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.